everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're going to be doing a project. We're going to upscale a candle holder, a wall sconce. My mother sent a basket full of just odd end stuff, and so this is a project or a sconce that was in that basket, so we're fixing to upscale it. So I've got some paint here, got a glove on, and we're fixing to get started. So here is this, the wall sconce. It's wood and metal. And then I have bought 2 birdhouses from Walmart, and I think one was like $5 something, almost like $5.96, whatever, and $6.96, so $6 and $7. So first, that was a whole lot of painting. So we have, and if I'd have recorded all the painting this one, it would have been a lot longer. But I did outline all of it with gold. I thought that just made it so pretty. They did look like this. I got the birdhouses from Walmart. I think one of them was $4.96 and one was $5.96. This was an old wood candle holder. So now we're going to put some E6000 on here. Let these set up. And then I will hang them outside. I will let y'all see the finished product. I have got to get me some E6000. But I'll show a clip at the end of where I hang them. So I just put E6000. I'm going to turn y'all back down. So I just put E6000 on all the little thingies there. I'm going to put this one. Right there, I do believe. This one. Move my finger out of the way, my thumb. Okay, it's sitting down on there. See, I may want to. Okay, this is the finished project, and I hope y'all like this. And the inspiration for this, I seen it was an old chandelier, and it had a ball on the bottom of it, and it had the black and white checks like this with the gold on it, painted on that ball. Then it had I think it had like 5 or 6 little tiny birdhouses painted and set on top of that. And they wanted $695, I think, for it. And I was like, okay. So, yeah, no. So I said, well, I can do that with candle holders. If they can do it with a chandelier, I can do it with a candle holder. So this is what we came up with. I think it's adorable. I think it's pretty. And I may, let me show y'all what I may use. I have a fast drying, non-yellowing, seals and protects indoor and outdoor projects. It's acrylic sealer, gloss finish. I will probably spray that when I go outside, just to kind of seal the paint on everything. So I hope y'all like this. It's just time consuming to do all the painting. So other than that, it was a fun project. I love it. So y'all get to crafting, make something beautiful. Remember, I love you all, and I'll show y'all a little clip of where I hang it. Thank y'all for watching. If you'd like, hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up. It helps us. Thank you. Bye-bye.